Today we're building a Country Squire sliding door with a window. To start out with, you gotta build the frame, and usually everything's pre-cut for you, so you get the print out, lay it out. So we got our side uprights in for the window frame. We're ready to put the window in, and then after that it's gonna be trimming the window, and we'll be down to metal. We got our window put in, ain't screwing it off. On this top, I just cut like an 1/8 inch off the back, and then you'll angle it back up to the clean cut so it looks something like that. And the reason I do that is if this J channel's off any, it's still going to set tight with the face so everything looks clean. So we left that J channel long down here, and that's this bottom sheet. You cut your steel off completely instead of trying to go up and around the window. And the reason we do that is so everything's watertight. So this bottom sheet's going to go under that trim, and then when we put this top sheet that goes above the window and down the side, it's going to overlap this bottom sheet. So if you ever get water, snow, ice, whatever, it's going to come down, it's going to continue down here. It's not going to set here and go inside your door. Okay. We got our steel on the door. Now it's time to put the AJ9 and AJ8, the side pieces, and then we'll do the crossbuck trim. And it's important to leave the plastic. Don't take all that off until you're ready to put everything on it so it don't get scratched. Got all our points lined up. We can take it back apart now, take the plastic off, put it back in and screw it down. And then we'll have bird guard at the top, and we should be done. You put the bird guard is your last step, and you'll leave, these are long on the side, your AJ8, 9. And you screw the face, you screw the back like a normal door. You'll cut that out, fold it over. We'll run a easy frame screw in the top here on the side. Screw it off, and then you're ready to hang it whenever they get the grate all freed up. You hook onto it and hang it up. It should be done and ready to go.